Oh my god, I look naked! But I'm wearing clothes, I promise. What's up you guys, it's Nava. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have another weekly video for you guys. If you guys haven't caught on yet, I partnered with Boohoo to bring you guys a cute little mini DIY series where we DIY and upcycle a bunch of different clothes. So thank you to Boohoo for sponsoring this little mini series. Boohoo is a great spot if you guys are looking for affordable clothes. They have a bunch of new styles that drop weekly and a majority of their clothes are under $100. And if you guys want some money off your order, you guys can use my code NAVA at checkout for that cute little discount. Halloween is literally in 2 days, so majority of you guys probably already have your costume, but if you guys don't have your costumes yet, then I have a really easy costume that you guys could use. It's last minute, super easy, really simple, and you guys could use it with a two-piece set that you already have. So here it is, without further ado, my last Halloween upcycling video. What's up guys, it's Nava Rose. Welcome back to a brand new episode of We Got Renew Upcycling. In today's episode, I'm going to show you guys how you can upcycle this matching two-piece set into a great Halloween costume. It is going to be a DIY, so all you need is some glue, your hands, and scissors. This is going to be a really simple DIY. All you're going to need is leaves and leaves, literally just leaves. So you could use these leaves to create a costume like Poison Ivy from the comics or an Adam and Eve costume, which I'm gonna be doing today. I'm gonna do a layout first just so I know how many leaves to cut. So once you're happy with the placement and the gluing of the leaves, just put it aside and let it dry. I'm gonna do the same thing to the skirt, so I'm just gonna cut leaves and glue them down. So once you're done gluing all your leaves down, you are finally finished with your two-piece set. I actually left a lot of space open, but left the leaves on the corners and on the sides. So this is the final look, and all you have to do for an Eve outfit, just pair it with an apple. So that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed the little video that Boohoo put together. Again, if you guys want to use my promo code, it's NAVA, and you can use this at checkout. All the items featured in this video will be linked down at the bottom for you guys. And yeah, I believe that's it. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!